A dinosaur doesn't belong in your office. With Lynn Imaging, you can upgrade your old copier or printer with selections from Kyocera's state-of-the-art Nova series. We'll even move your extinct printer for you. Visit our website to learn how Lynn Imaging can be your local copier hero.